Hello everyone, I am Maninder Singh. Today I will discuss some of the parts that we can do on the WordPress. So first we will start with the menu items, that how we can create the menu items, change and edit them. So to do that, first we will go to the design tab, and there we will click on the customize tab, and here you will find a bunch of options, and in there you will find a menus option. And after that there are two other options. The first one is the primary and the second one is the social. And the first one, primary, is for here it's just a name, and when we click on this button, and then we find there are four options that are already present in the menu. The first one is home, blog, contact and about. So if I want to add another item in the menu, I will click on the add items to add another one. And for example, if I want to add the item offers, I just type the name of it and click on the add button. It will be added in our menu. And there are some other options as well, like if I want to add a description or a title attribute to this menu item, then I can just simply click on the downside button and I can just do that. And there is another tick mark option here, that if I want that option to be open in the new tab, then just I simply click on that. But for right now I don't want that. And there is another option, like if I want this to be the subheading of the about item in the menu, and then just I simply drag this to the right hand side. If I don't want this, just drag it on the left hand side. Other than this, there are some other options down here. Menu locations, which means where we want to show the menu items. Like for here, the primary means we want to show our menu items on the upper side of the website. But for example, if I want to see them downside, just tick on the footer menu, and now the menu items are shifted downside. Here you can see. But right now I want that primary. So all that, just click on the save changes, and here we go. It's almost done. Yeah, now all is done. And for now, if I want to reorder the menu items, like if I want to change their positions, and then I just simply click on the reorder button. Here we can see, if I want offers to above the about button, then I click on the above side arrow like that. But for now I want the previous locations, then click on the done button. And at the end, if I want to remove any of the menu items option, then I just click on the add items, and here we will see the cross button. And if I want to remove the offers from the menu, then just simply click on the cross button. Here we go, and then click on the save changes. So in the second part, we will create a post. To do that, just go back, and in the site tab you will find some of the options, and here is the post option. Here we can see that there are some of the posts that we already created 10 hours ago. And for now I want to create or add a new post, and for doing that I just simply click on the add new post. And it takes some time because maybe my internet connection is a little bit slow. And here we go. Here we can give it a little title to show that, like for example, I want to give it why trips, because my topic is really topic of website is related to the trips. So why trips. Now I give some other information, like give some time, give some time to your family by enjoying in the trips, for example. And for now, if I want to add image or anything else, I will just simply click on the plus button, and there's bunch of options, and I want to add the image, then I will click on the gallery button. here you will find two options, upload and media library. So if I want to add any of the image that is already present in my computer, then I will click on the upload button. But in the media library there are some of the images that I already used or that are already present in my media library. For now I want to add an image like this. I will click on the insert button and it is uploaded. And now I will click on the publish button. Here we will get some of the options like visibility, publish, suggestion, and the visibility, like if I want that everyone can see this post, then I will remain it on the file that is public and publish immediately. And another option is that if I want to tag somebody, then I can select a new tag, but for now I don't want that. And now I will click on the publish button and it will update in few seconds. Now I can able to see my post here that we created, and it will show the name who created this and the time. If I am on the home page and I want to see that post, then I will just simply click on the blog button, and here we can see that post. For now, if I want to edit or delete that post, I will go to the post section. Here I can just simply click on the options. Here we can select from the number of options, click on the edit. If I want to remove some of the content, like just I simply write here trips, for example. If I want to change the text or anything else, like I want large text, huge, or I can remain it on default. If I want the first letter of the trips to be the bigger, I will just on it like this, but for right now I don't want. And after doing every changes, and I can also do the color changes as well, like if I want that to be the blue color, after doing that I will click on the update button and my post will be updated. Here we can see. But for right now I want to delete this post. Then the same thing, go in the post section and click on the options, and there is option trash, click on that, your post will be deleted. And if I by mistake I deleted the important post, then we can undo that and we will be able to see that our post which we deleted. But for right now I don't want that. So in the third part we will see that how we can add, delete or replace image in the our website. So to do that I will go in the design, and there in the themes I will click on the themes button and I will see the customize button, and it will give us choice to edit the text, image and everything else on the website. So for example, I want to change or replace this image. Again we will find two options, open media library, upload. From the media library there are a bunch of images, but for right now I will click on the upload so that I can choose the image from my computer. Maybe I have the same images in my computer as well. Just I click on this image, it will be updated in few seconds, that we can see here. Oops. We can resize the image by dragging it, and if I want to do some settings of the image, like the text is we can see the text on the right hand side, and if I want to see it on the left hand side, then I can just click on here. And there are some other changes, like I can do it here. I can change the position of the text. If I want to see the text on the upper side, then I can choose the vertical align top. If I want to see that on the bottom, I can do that, but for right now I want to see this in the center. Other than this, if I want to replace that image, I can click on the image and more options and remove block. Before doing that, there is some other options, like I can make a copy of this image by clicking on the duplicate button like this. There are now two images of one. So there are some other options, like I can also insert a link that may be related to this website that I want, that users can click on that, and a website or another web page can open from that. But for right now, if I want to delete this image, I will just click on the remove block. The image will be deleted. And this is the another copy of that image which we duplicated. And for now, I want to remove this image. I will click on the remove block and the image is removed. So after doing all the settings, I will just click on the update button and the settings will be saved. After doing all this, at the end of this video, I will discuss that how we can change the themes of our website and all that. To do that, I will go in the home page. In the design, you will find the option themes. Here you can see there are a number of themes from which we can choose for our website. So right now we have this theme, and if I want to change my theme to this, I can just simply click on that. Remember, there are a number of themes which are paid and some of them are free. So usually people choose free, which are beginners. So we will go with that one, and there is a preview of this theme. If I want to see a live demo of this theme, just there is a button here, open live demo, so that how it will look like to the users. Here it is. So I will activate this theme and it will give me option that am I sure to activate this theme. Yes, I am sure, and it will take few seconds to complete that. Now there are two options: view site, edit homepage. View site means there will be a preview of the theme, that how it will look like. So I will go with that one. Here it is. And if I want to edit the theme, I will just simply click on the edit homepage. Now I can add the images, delete the images, or edit the text and everything. Just I simply write here trips, for example. If I want to be the bold or the not bold, if I want this text to be removed, I can remove it as well. And if I want this image to be replaced by another one, I can also do that. So there are a number of changes that I can do here, but for right now I don't want to do many of them changes. So I will just update this theme and it will be updated. So if I want to go to back my theme which I have previously, I will go to the design, and under that themes I can choose my previous theme and apply that. And after some time, after a few seconds, it will be applied, and I can able to see that. Here it is. All the changes are made which we did. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Thank you.